You want to be polyamorous, but you are afraid to communicate your needs.
You want to be polyamorous, but you blame other people for your feelings.
You want to be polyamorous, but you feel guilty and or ashamed when you're not perfect.
You want to be polyamorous, but you let your dysfunctional patterns of behavior sabotage your relationships.
You want to be polyamorous, but you don't understand the rupture-repair process.
You want to be polyamorous, but you fail to practice proper responsibility mapping.
You want to be polyamorous, but you are not actively involved in a regular routine of self-curiosity and improvement.
You want to be polyamorous, but you cannot let go of control.
If one or more of these things resonated with you, join us for our hit workshop, You Want to Be Polyamorous, But. I'm Jessica Daylover of Remodeled Love.
And I'm Shanae Jackson-Kendall from Intentional Polyamory. We are bringing our 2-hour workshop back again. All ticket buyers will have 3 dates to choose from.
Join us for this short and honest as fuck workshop about what it takes to be on and stay on the polyamorous path. And get the hell out of your own way for once. Each workshop is limited to 50 people, so head to bit.ly/wannabepolyam, or you can go to remodeledlove.com to register today.